Do you find your keyboard hard to see on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? You can make it clearer by using a high contrast keyboard. Let me show you how to enable it. First, open Setting, scroll down and tap Accessibility. Tap Vision Enhancement. Under the Color and Clarity section, tap High Contrast Keyboard. Then turn it on. Here you can choose from different style. Tap each style to preview it, like black letters on yellow keypad, white letters on black keypad, yellow letters on black keypad, or white letters on blue keypad. For example, let's choose black letters on a yellow keypad for better visibility. This is useful if you want clearer keys when typing, especially in bright or low visibility condition. And that's how you make your keyboard easier to see using high contrast keyboard on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.